We're Immobiliser Fit and this is a Halo Mini securing a brand new 23 plate Ford Puma. This one's a petrol mild hybrid, and if a thief got the key to this and went to steal it, the ignition's going to power up. As you can see, my foot's on the clutch. The vehicle's just not going to start up. So what the customer has to do when they get in the vehicle, keep their foot off the pedals, tap the ignition on, go through a unique code 1, 2, 3, 4. We get that flash from the indicators, and now we can start the vehicle and it remains running. This is the Halo Mini. As soon as you leave the vehicle, you get 2 flashes and the system's active instantly. So if a thief grabs your key off you as you hopped out, they're going to be unable to drive it. It's going to need your PIN code. So once again, ignition on, 1, 2, 3, 4 is our code. We get a flash and we can start. Customer can set their own code using factory buttons, totally unique to them. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393 to get your vehicle secure. This is a brand new 23 plate mild hybrid Ford Puma. Thanks for watching.